Okay, very good evening, friends, and welcome to today's session.
Good evening,
Uh,
sir.
good evening,
Good
everybody.
evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah,
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
very good evening, very good evening. So, I have given a couple of exercises in the last session. I have also tried to forward the last session recording in the group so that the people who have not able to attend the uh, session or the people who have joined late, for the benefit of them, I have uploaded the link. The last session was also uploaded in our IGNO YouTube channel, which exclusively we made it for this CPA THA program. So I hope somebody who wants to see that what happened in the last session, they can just click onto that and they can go through that. So coming to today's session, today I'll be discussing some of the feedback as you people are sending some videos and audios and all that stuff. So I just wanted to make sure that you have understood the concept and then you are making certain videos. What is happening is I was just going through some of the videos. What is happening is in the name of sense memory or the observation part, uh, especially in the sense memory exercises, people are trying to enact something which I don't want you people to do it, because I was not asking to do a performance there, because you are just recalling whatever that sense memory, आपके जो 5 senses का experience जो है वो that is recorded in your subconscious mind, and for that matter everybody's subconscious mind. So we are just recalling it, recalling that experiences which we have gone through in the name of sense memory, or the senses which you are working properly with us in the body and the mind. So something to do with the sense of touch, sense of taste, sense of smell, sense of sight, sense of hearing. All these 5 senses, everybody is having some experiences, as I told you. Something has suddenly happened or purposefully happened, or never happened like that. So later on, these experiences, when we gone through this, like we are touching something hot, cold, or eating something tasty or bitter, or just like we are tasting a lemon juice or something like that, which is that taste we remember, that touch we remember, the incident which you have seen we remember. These memories are there with us. So we are just trying to recall those memories and try to show what we have gone through. That's all. We are not going to make a performance out of it. That one has to be very much clear about that. Because in the name of sense memory, if you are making a story, if you are making to enact so many things, or try to add up so many senses into one single exercise, no, don't do that. Because we are at a very starting, we are just started. So my request would be keep each sense as one simple exercise, and I want 5 exercises of each of these senses. So it becomes 25. At least if you can make 5 exercises, as a sense of touch में एक, sense of sight में एक, hearing में एक, ऐसा भी अगर आप शुरू करेंगे तो अच्छी बात है. तो what I meant to say is don't try to act out. Act out में हो सकता है कि you are not just behaving as realistically as required. You might be adding something to it, because now you are thinking that I have to perform. I have to perform that I have touched something hot, and then that originality is going to be, we are going to lose that. So I'm just asking you people to just to try to recall what happened. What happened when you have gone through this. That's what. So today I'll be dealing this sense memory in a very, in an extended manner. So where I am trying to tell you about this, because first I take the sense memory. First I will be taking the sense of sight. Sense of sight means See, you have many memories of your the colors which you have seen, or the dreams which you have gone through, isn't it? Every dream you may not remember, but some dreams you may be remembering, whether they are good or bad. You know, suddenly in a midnight you have seen some dream, and suddenly you wake up and you're worried or you are very happy, and in the dream itself you are talking something to somebody, and your mother or father or your brother, they will just wake up you. What happened? Then you say, no, nothing had happened. Then they will say कि थोड़ा पानी पी लो और फिर सो जाओ. So you have many dreams, you have many things, you have seen many things, you have many memories, you have seen that. So I prefer one simple exercise here. So what happened is now we are truly thinking about a sense memory called sense of sight. So I request you all people to sit at a place, suppose on a chair, an easy chair, which suits you, like this chair on which I am just sitting. And I request, just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. And now this will be an exercise. After this counseling session, you will be doing this. Not right now. You just listen what we are supposed to do. We are sitting in a chair and we are closing our eyes. Closing our eyes. We are not opening our eyes. And now we start not imagining actually. We try to recall what are those images. If I want to say, what are the best things you have ever seen in your life? You just remember those things. Or for example, what are the best movie scenes which you would like? You have seen many movies, isn't it? आपको आसानी से समझ में आने के लिए मैं ये एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ, बट वो तो एक it is not a healthy example as such, I know, but people will remember very easily. वो फिल्म में वो सीन बहुत बढ़िया था. You remember that scene, you have seen it. Even if you close your eyes, that scene is going in front of you. Something is happening, isn't it? Now you are going to recall those journeys. If you have gone through, you are sitting in a train, you are traveling from Delhi to Mumbai. There are many things. You are sitting at nearby a window and you are just seeing through that window which you are just sitting, and you are seeing many things running around along with you, with your train and all that. You are seeing it, and in the same compartment so many people are traveling, and you are seeing them, you are also witnessing them, and somebody is coming to beg something, or some folk singer or a local guy who's just singing, and one or two small children are coming and cleaning your compartment and later asking for some money, and some mess man coming from that fellow, and he is asking to buy a cup of tea or a coffee, and asking you for the requirement of your lunch and all that, and somebody is searching for his own seat or berth and asking you for a help or an inquiry that where is this S1 coach, where is my berth, maybe, probably, and he or she may be asking. Somebody is with a heavy luggage is entering. You just, if you close your eyes and you think about a journey, best journey or whatever the journey you have gone through, you will be remembering all these things. So these are all, sense of sight. These are the most of the things what I'm just trying to explain comes under the sense memory. We have gone through all these visuals, isn't it? You have gone through all these visuals. They are there in your mind. But now what I am asking you people is, you purposefully recall them now. You purposefully recall them now in those situations, how you might have reacted to them. That is only the exercise now we are going to do. Or we have to supposed to do in the name of sense memory exercise of sense of sight. So you are sitting. So forget about all those things. Let us come back to our own place, like your own house or your own room. You can select any room in your house. Now you are closing your eyes. Okay, again you are closing your eyes. Just say, this is your own bedroom, suppose, where you usually spend your time. Now, what are those things? If you can close your eyes and you can still see what is the left side wall. On left side wall, what will be there? And right side wall, what is there? And what are the colors available in your room? What is the wall is painted like, whether it is blue or white or pale yellow? Huh? or what are the things which are there in your room? Maybe a air conditioner, a fan, or nothing, for that matter. Plug points, how many plug points are there? Okay. What are the ceiling is designed with? Is there any wallpaper in it? What are the different kinds of colors, or even the curtains are there? You just close your eyes. And one thing, obviously, you know answers for all these questions, isn't it? Because it is your own room. You may be knowing that thousands and thousands of times you may be walking inside, and you concentrate on a specific point, maybe a wall. कर्टन्स कौन से रंग के हैं और अलमारियां कितने होंगे और वो कैसे बनावटी होंगे, कौन से अलमारी में कौन सा मटेरियल रखा होगा, where you have kept your medicines somewhere, or your books somewhere, or newspapers somewhere, or all these things. Now you are just trying to remember. You just obviously you say no, you don't say that. Let that visual comes to you before your eyes, even if you are closing your eyes. Don't say that, no, I know the answer. No, let that visual comes to you when you pose a question. Yeah, now I am posing a question like, what is there on left side of your wall? Now you're closing your eyes and you are trying to remember what are there on that your left side of the wall. Get the answer in the form of a visual. Get the answer in the form of a visual. उसमें आपके आंखों के सामने वो चीजें आनी चाहिए जो मैं अभी आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ. तो ये जो आप रिमेम्बर कर रहे हो, आपके लेफ्ट साइड में क्या है, राइट साइड में क्या है, आपके कर्टन्स के कलर्स क्या थे, whatever all those things are there. Now you are just trying to remember them. These are all things they goes into your memory, and they are already there in your memory, isn't it? Just because they are all there in your memory, for that simple reason only you are able to recall them. Otherwise you can't. First time you are not seeing your room, isn't it? How you are able to answer these questions, my questions, what is there on the left side or the right side? Is there any wallpaper in it? What kind of a structure it is? What are the different colors, designs which were made on the paper? If at all it is there, if nothing is there, no problem. Whatever it is there, if you can try to remember. And what is the ground? What is the flooring? Is a marble flooring or a cement flooring, or what is the flooring? What is your floor is made up of? How many chairs are there? No chair, no problem. How many? You are having a laptop or a tab, or your desktop is there in your bedroom or not? Or your own mobile, where you usually keep your mobile, or where the place where you regularly charge your mobile? What are the plug points available? How many lights are there? So if you try to remember all those things, closing your eyes, this is where you are actually working on your senses. That is one simple sense called sense of sight. Okay, closing your eyes and you're trying to recall all those things which are having there in your own room. And similarly, you can do it for n number of times, taking your best memories, best memories in the sense of sight, which you have already seen. I'm not saying that you are going to see in your life. For example, now you are 25 years, 35 years, 40 years, 50 years, whatever your age is. Right now, whatever you have seen, what is the best things you remember, or purposefully you are just trying to recall them. Every damn thing we may not be able to recall because they are not going into our memory in the name of those visuals or the sense of sight. But there are certainly certain things which are there in your mind, isn't it? Then only you can answer. So every time my suggestion would be, any sense memory exercises, if you want to do, what is the purpose? Why we are doing this? That is also more important, isn't it? So work on very realistical kind of an acting. We are trying to recall those things, and when we trying to enact, if the same situation which we have gone through, only we are giving those things again back in the form of your actions, just remembering, just taking the resource from those memories and trying to enact them, which you are not going to add any color to that. Now you are not going to add your imagination part of it. As it is, the memory it is stored in your mind, you are just recalling them and just putting up again now purposefully, isn't it? Bachpan mein somebody has played some, gilli danda and goti and all that stuff. Now you are not playing because 30, 40 years ho gaye. Now how can you play? If you want to recall them, how can you do it? See, there are two things happening in the world, isn't it? One is a performer, the other person is audience, isn't it? Somebody is performing and somebody is witnessing. So in my class, in the first counseling class, I said every human being is having the capability of performance. Every human being can perform. Every human being can perform. Then why?
Sounds like this, right? That's what I taught you? Yes?
Somebody is...
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
so we use the arms. Yeah. So the last time I taught you to move in different directions, right? We have so many directions. So we moved, we learned how to move and the turn.
Who is this? Who is this?
And then the last time we
I don't know. I don't know who is this. Hello, 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 hello. Can you kindly mute your microphone?
Today we're going to learn another technique. Yes, the leg movements will remain the same.
Jayanti, are you able to listen to me? Hello? Please mute your microphone. Okay. Anyway, so I was talking about the two personalities. One is two sections of the people. One is the performer and the other one is the audience. When I say every human being is having the innate qualities to perform, innate qualities of a performance. So what happened? Why there is a discrimination? Only some of the people they can perform. Some of them they are not able to perform and they are just sitting at a place and watching some performances. Why it is happening? When I say everybody can perform, but what is happening? So
I had one doubt. Sorry, before you continue and go this performer and audience topic, I had a doubt regarding the previous thing that you were talking, that sitting on the chair and recollecting things. Sir, are we supposed to imagine that and show the expression or enact it, or are we supposed to narrate it? How are we supposed to do it?
we are not either narrating or enacting anything.
So just recollecting.
We are just recollecting. Yes, yes. When I ask you to do, then you are going to open your eyes and you may be doing that small action. No, just I am taking you people to an exercise where you are just trying purposefully to remember, to just recollect those memories which were there in the sense of sight. That's all. I'm not asking you to do right now anything. Recollect. That's all. Recollect it. Later, if I say just 4 or 5 exercises, 4 or 5 activities out of which you have now you remember, now you can do it. Then you do it and you take a video of it and send it to me. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Now you are not doing it. How you can jump into that exercise? That's what I'm making a basis for that. Okay. How you can make an exercise, how you can do an exercise. Before that, you need a preparation, isn't it? What kind of preparation you need to do? Sense of sight में आप कैसे अपने आप को prepare करते हैं? तो I'm suggesting this exercise. Just how to recall. Just sit back and pose some questions in terms of your sense of sight. I've just given an example of your own room. You can take anything. Now you are working in a school. For example, you work in a school.
Sir, I can recollect one thing. Like for example, as you said, I'm a teacher in a school. So once I can, as you said, recollecting thing just came to my mind. I remember once when I had gone to school, I was a class teacher and I had to take attendance. So for taking the attendance, you have to sit on the chair and then you mark the attendance in the register and stand and teach. So one day when I was just trying to take the chair forward, I accidentally slipped from the chair and I fell down. So I can recollect that. So is that a sense memory thing? And whole class laughed and I had a hearty laugh.
It's a sense memory, but it cannot be categorized as a sense of sight. It is a sense. It is having a mixture of sense of sight, different senses. Like there's a touch is there. There's a sense of touch. Once you fall down, on the ground, when you fall on the ground, then only you know that it has happened, isn't it? It comes under sense of touch, not on sense of sight. Once you fall on the ground and if everybody is laughing and you have seen them laughing, the way they are laughing now, you have seen them, then that can come under a sense of sight. So there is a mixture of, that's what I'm saying. So recollect. But now what I am trying to say is, you are not going to imagine anything while doing this preparation kind of an exercise.
Okay.
We are not purposefully bringing anything into that. Whatever just happened, and we are trying to remember those memories. That's what we call it as a sense memory, isn't it? We are not just saying that think about any sense. Then you can have, then what happened is we will have imagination, isn't it? Once you touch something, what happened? Very cold kind of an ice cream is there, and now you are touching. How it will be like that sense? Only it is a sense. But to enact that also, you need sense memory, because you must be acquaintance with some part of your life. Somewhere you have touched something very much very cold, and then you know that experience. No? How it goes. Then only you can recall, ice cream पकड़ने से आपको इस तरह का action होता है. You cannot be neutral while touching something cold or something which is very hot, isn't it? So all these things are coming from where? Just because of your senses, and which is having a memory. If you don't have a memory, it will be the first time it is happening, isn't it? If you suppose you have never touched anything cold, so suddenly you are touching something very cold. You have touched something cold, not very cold. Then what happens? You are not gone to North Pole anytime, but it happened that you have gone there. Then that experience is different. If you are coming to Delhi, this part of time, it is something where, it started now, the winter session now. Now you've come to December, it will be very cold. So once you experience that, then it will go into your memory. It cannot go directly, and you cannot remember that also, because it never happened to you, isn't it? So my request is, now this exercise is a preparation to do the sense memory exercises. I am not trying to put you in any kind of a situation where it leads to an imagination, isn't it? Suddenly I say, you are suddenly thrown into a furnace. I'm not saying that. If you are sitting and you are trying to remember your own senses, if something very hot, you have felt it, then you remember that. I'm not going to impose anything right now, because that leads to an imagination. That subject is something different. Okay. So what I'm saying is, you are trying to identify those senses, just sitting and closing. Why I am saying time and again, close your eyes. It will also increase your concentration power. You could be able to concentrate. Otherwise, we cannot properly concentrate, because there will be so much disturbance in and around. So we may not be able to concentrate, and we cannot remember, recall those things. So this is one exercise which I am talking about. And I have left out that performance wala. What I am saying is, if there are two categories, one is a performer and one is actor. Why this? Because everybody is an actor, isn't it? According to rule, everybody is an actor. The person who can recall and having the quality of repetitiveness of his own or our actions, or the actions which he has seen, capable of reenacting them, they are becoming performers. I can also recall them, but at the point of a time, I may not be able to do it because of many things, because of my status, or because of my inefficiencies, because of my position right now, because of the context which you are asking me to perform, isn't it? I may perform at my home, but I may not be able to perform at my office. Same thing. So different things are stopping me to perform, but otherwise I am equally capable as an actor, who can perform on a stage or in a film or a television. But my circumstances are stopping somewhere to perform. That's all. Because I do have a quality of performance. Everybody is having a quality of performance. Just because I have already told you, every human being is, changing their roles, different roles every day, every moment. For that matter, every second, we are changing different roles, isn't it? And now in your this counseling session, your role is different, my role is different. After 45 minutes, your role is different, my role is different. We are quickly changing our own roles, knowingly, unknowingly, isn't it? So this is what I would like to tell you in the context of sense of sight. For that matter, a bigger subject called sense memory. It is a very tricky kind of a subject. One must practice it properly. Then only we'll be able to understand. Now, for a moment, I'll stop here. If there are any questions, I would like to take, because after this conceptual deliberations, if some people are having some doubts, they can raise their questions, and quickly we will finish off and we'll go for the other things.
Sir, I want to ask a question, sir. While sensing any recalling in memory side, I mean, is there any emotional ejaculation or say gesture ejaculation?
So that is very personal, Sushil Kumar. What I'm saying is that is very personal question which you are asking. It may be, it may not be. How can I say? Because it is your memory. Who am I to restrict you by doing any physical kind of a gesture once you remember that? I am not here to stop you, but I am just asking you to recall what just happened in the name of sense of sight. I am just concentrating on only sense of sight. आपने किसी चीज को देखा है तो उसका जो आपका एक्सपीरियंस है, अनुभूति है, उसको फिर से दोहराइए, फिर से अपने आंखों के सामने देखिए. जबकि आपके हाथ उठेंगे, चाहे आप क्या उठ के नाचेंगे, ये मुझे पता नहीं है. ये मैं नहीं कह सकता कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा भी नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं. हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. It depends on the context which you are going through. But be realistic. Whatever happened when you have seen that only you have to remember. Now you are not going to try to add anything into that memory. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Sukreen Jerome, sorry again for the name.
Yeah.
Sometimes it happens we see certain dreams that are very strong and you feel as if you're there actually in that dream. So is that also a type of a sense memory?
Yeah. It's a sense memory.
Sight sense.
Because you are there. Yeah.
Because it has happened with me many times.
The dream is happening in your before your naked eyes, isn't it? And you remember some dreams and you don't remember something. The dreams which you can able to remember.
With me, I feel I am there into it, and I'm sleeping.
Yeah.
So is it coming under sight memory?
Yeah, sight memory. Yeah. See, whatever there in the form of visuals in your subconscious mind, it comes under sense memory.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, somebody was asking some question.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
सर मैं वॉइस वेरिएशंस के बारे में थोड़े से डाउट थे सर. ये तो सर वो पेट से आवाज कैसे निकालते हैं, ये समझ नहीं आया सर.
भाई साहब, मैं जो बात कर रहा हूँ, आप जो बात कर रहे हैं, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ. अभी जो मैं सेंस मेमोरी की बात जो बात कर रहा था, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे ना. जब वॉइस का ट्रेनिंग का क्लास होगा तो उसमें वो आप बात करेंगे, है ना?
नहीं सर, वो आपने एक्सरसाइज दी थी उसके बारे में सर. ये तो समझ में आ गया आज की क्लास.
ये तो समझ में आ गया, तो उसका क्वेश्चन अभी नहीं लेता हूँ मैं. कौन बोल रहा है ये? क्या नाम है?
भीमा राव.
भीमा राव. मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ आपको, आज मैं जो चीज समझा रहा हूँ उसके ऊपर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछिए. इन जनरल सेशन अगर कोई होगा तो उसमें फिर मैं आपको समझाऊंगा. वॉइस कहाँ, मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं चिंतित नहीं हूँ कि वॉइस गले से निकल रहा है या पेट से निकल रहा है. आपको चिंता करने की कोशिश, आप उस चीज में कॉन्शियस मत होइए. आप उस चीज में कॉन्शियस मत होइए कि आपका आवाज यहाँ से आ रहा है फिर यहाँ से आ रहा है. ओके. जब तक आपको मैं एक सिंपल टेक्निक बताऊंगा. आप जब बात करते करते अगर स्ट्रेन नहीं हो रहे हैं, स्ट्रेन समझ रहे हो ना, स्ट्रेन का मतलब अगर आप उस तरह से फील नहीं कर रहे तो आपका वॉइस पेट से आ रहा है, यहाँ से ही आ रहा है. तो जब झूठ बोलते हैं ना, हम लोग को झूठ बोलते हैं तो यहाँ से आता है. यूजुअली इट कम्स फ्रॉम योर गले से आता है. जब हम सच बोलते हैं तो हम पेट से बोलते हैं. ऐसा कहते हैं. तो आप इसको देखिए, इसको बारीकी से सोचिए, इसकी क्या मतलब होता है. तो व्हेन यू आर वेरी मच इन द सेंस कि इन जनरल हम देखेंगे इसको, अगर लॉजिकली इसको मैं बात करता हूं तो इफ यू आर वेरी लॉजिकली स्पीकिंग, very logically doing a role, very realistically doing a role, आप जो भी बोलेंगे वो बात आपके पेट से ही आएगा. आप जब फॉल्स करेंगे, है ना, फॉल्स एनेक्टिंग करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वो शायद गले से ही आएगा, यहीं से आएगा. That's it.
Sir, I want to add something. While recalling, if the event of subconscious surfaces to the conscious level, maybe there's some, expressiveness.
Yeah, expressiveness.
Expressiveness in realistically, or say expressively, or not, at least not falsifying the notion.
Sushil, I am not able to get what you want to add, you know.
And I want to say, while the event of subconscious surfaces to the conscious level,
Yeah.
and in reaction, maybe there's some expressiveness in body, in physique.
When?
Sir, I think sir is trying to say, Sushil Kumar sir is trying to say that जब हम अपने दिमाग में वो वापस घटना याद करने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो अपने फिजिकल इसमें अपने शरीर पे दिखाई देती है.
वो तो मैंने बोला था ना, वो तो मैंने बोला था अभी एक 2 मिनट पहले. See, I just told you कि 1 minute before, it may happen, it may not happen. It depends on personal to person. It depends on, see, I am sitting here, I am just trying to remember whatever there in my room, which is dramatically nothing has happened. I am just trying to see the colors and all that. And suddenly I see a photograph of a group photograph of my own family. Then I just remember something else regarding that, and slightly a smile comes on my face, maybe. Okay, I just remember that. And something which is, I just remember somebody who is not there with me right now. I may cry. That happens. That happens. That's what I'm saying. That we are not into that now. We are not into that. We are just trying to just recall what is exactly there in your visual when you pose some questions of a situation, a place.
Sir, Supreme Jerome here.
Yes, Krishna.
Krishna, tell me, what is that?
Sir, sometimes happen when I'm sitting in front of you, and I'm attached with you and attached with my some old memory. So it can be also sense memory.
Yeah. It is there. It is.
Okay.
And
one more situation. As you last day, you gave us one task. Just go through your old photographs, and when I saw my old photographs, and so many memories reflecting on my eyes, is it also kind of
sense memory? Sense memory, isn't it? Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
But using that sense memory, I told you to create a character. The purpose of that is different there actually, but it is having a quality of sense memory. It is having a quality of sense memory also. Without sense memory, how can you do that? How can you remember? How can you create a character? Because a person is full of senses, isn't it?
Yes.
कोई सेंस नहीं है उसके पास, तो क्या कोई आदमी जिंदा हो सकता है क्या? आप एक जिंदा जागता हुआ, without senses, nothing. Whether these senses are original, whether these senses are induced, that we can create later. Suppose a person, you never gone through such kind of a senses, but the way you are supposed to portray your character, which is full of the other kind of senses, है ना? हमारे पास वो सेंस मेमोरी ही नहीं है जो हम करना चाहते हैं, तो क्या करेंगे हम? उस सेंसेस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. देन योर ऑब्जर्वेशन पार्ट, जैसे मैंने पहले एक्सप्लेन किया था, आप अपना सेल्फ एक्सपीरियंस से लेंगे, पढ़ेंगे, देखेंगे, सुनेंगे, तब उन सेंसेस को भी अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे. क्या ये बंदा ऐसा, क्या he might have gone through all these senses. Then we will try to put those things into that character and portray that. If it is, those senses are also there with us, it is very easy for us to portray character, isn't it?
Yes, sir. One more situation.
Yeah. Somebody.
So, Sukreen here.
Yeah.
I had one doubt.
Please.
So you were speaking something about being a performer and or an audience. So can you please elaborate on the performer? I understood you said
Yes,
every minute we
sir,
keep on changing roles.
one
Sometimes we are a performer, sometimes we are an audience. Sir, audience, in which situation can we call ourselves as an audience?
See, what I'm saying is, in a situation where you are not able to reproduce what you have gone through. If somebody is doing the same thing, you can also do the same thing. Somebody is playing cricket, and you might have played cricket, but now somebody says, "Aajao play, khelte hai na," so you are not able to play because something is stopping you. Then you become an audience. But even then, an IAS officer, an IPS officer, or a minister, whoever there, if he or she is ready to play at this moment also, they become the performers and you become the audience. The persons who can reproduce, recreate the same thing.
Okay, sir.
That's
If
what
you
I'm
are
saying.
able to recreate
That
the
you
same
can
thing,
also
then
do.
you're a
That you can
performer.
also do, but you are not able to do right now. That you are not able to do right
So
now.
does it mean, sir, if I am passive,
Yeah.
I am passive, that means I'm an audience. And if I'm active, I am a performer.
You can say that, but it is not that the correct definition. Internally also you may be playing with them, internally also you are associated with them. But what exactly I'm saying is exactly doing the physical activity and whatever just happening before your eyes and all that. See what happens, if you see a film, if you see a film, why these commercial movies are very much successful rather than the art movies? Because we have some admirations, we have our own dreams, which we may not be able to fulfill them, but somebody is fulfilling them. So we are trying to identify ourselves with the performers, and where we are satisfying our own emotions. We are satisfying our own ambitions in the form of those actions. We go with them, isn't it? We also perform with them. We also try to laugh with them, and we try to cry with them sometimes, isn't it? Then we are also performing. We are just stable and we are just looking at it. ये तो हमारा खेल नहीं है. Passive. That we are totally passive, It is not at all belongs to you. So you are just seeing. You are nowhere connected. Then you can say that you are the performer. You are now only the audience, not the performer.
Also, Sushil here, while receiving senses or sense memory perceptions, when it encounters in the senses, maybe we can sense anything like that, how he behaved, or say someone else responded to the same situation besides me or beside
Sushil,
awareness.
you are taking the discussion into a different direction. What I'm saying is we are not trying to say right now who else see the same thing and how he might have reacted. No, we are not going to that detail right now. We are saying सुशील अपने आंखों से अपने रूम में पहले क्या क्या देखे थे उसको रिमेम्बर कीजिए, बस इतना ही चाहिए आज के लिए.
ओके सर.
मैं आपके रूम में आके सुशील ने क्या देखा मैं भी देखता हूं तो मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करता हूं, ये आज का खेल नहीं है, है ना? वो that is different. That is you are going into a different kind of a thinking that comes in the part of maybe imagination or something to do with adaptation and all that. We are not trying to discuss that. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Anybody else?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah. Who is this?
This is Saurabh this side.
Saurabh.
This is Saurabh this side.
Yeah.
So, while trying to remember in one of these exercises through our senses, at times the mind goes elsewhere in terms of seeing that, okay, I think the ball was here, I think the bat was here, and there suddenly comes a point where you get into your simple imagination versus observation, more of a deja vu kind of a feel.
Yeah.
So, is that what is also there in this, or is it a part of the imagination, or is it a part of observation? This deja vu feeling that we get, is it right or wrong, or should we stop it?
See, nothing wrong in it, but what I'm saying is leave very less scope for imagination. अगर यहाँ रहता तो वो अलग बात है। पहले यहाँ बॉल था, आपने उस बॉल को देखा है, अभी यहाँ नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं है, उसमें इमेजिनेशन कहाँ हुआ? कुछ इमेजिनेशन तो नहीं है ना। सी देयर इज ए टेनिस रॉकेट, इट वाज देयर इन माय रूम अर्लियर, regularly I used to see them. Now right now it is not there. Now I remember that, first I remember that it was there, the second it was not there right now. So nothing imagination about it.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
I got it. I got it.
Now you say that, see, you have seen some tennis racket in somebody else's room, and now you think that that tennis racket, if it is there here in my room also, how it would be? That is imagination.
Yeah.
है ना?
Okay.
वो बॉल अगर मेरे घर में होता था तो वो कैसा दिखता है, वो अलग बात है। आपके रूम में, आपके पास जो है, आपने उसको देखा है कभी, अभी वो नहीं है चीज, तो वो तो इमेजिनेशन नहीं हुआ ना, वो तो रियलिटी है। जो जो आप
under sense memory.
या वो आप उसी आपके स्टडी में आएगा, आपके जो रिमेम्बर स्टडी में ही आएगा। See, one person was there in your life. One person was there in your life. You used to be there in your own room. आपके बगल में बैठता था, अभी वो आज नहीं है, तो इमेजिनेशन कहाँ हुआ? वो नहीं है ना। अगर suppose suddenly you say that Amitabh Bachchan is coming to your own room and sitting just behind you, that is imagination. How it would be like? वो तो नहीं हुआ ना। वो मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको। Whatever the things happened with you, really happened with you, and you have seen with your naked eyes, now you are just trying to recall, that's all. You are not going to add anything called imagination as such. You can stop them if you know. ये भी हो सकता है कि कभी कभी आप उधर इधर भटक सकते हैं, इसीलिए मैंने क्लोज करने के लिए बोला आज। इसीलिए मैंने ये भी बोला था कि post some questions. What is there on left side of my wall? What is the colors of my curtains? If I close my eyes and say इसका curtain का color क्या था, if I am trying to imagine, भटकने के चांसेस बहुत कम है ना। तो पहले तो मुश्किल होता है ये, पहले आप कंसंट्रेशन डेवलप करके देखेंगे तो आराम से ये हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी। ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स फॉर दिस सेंस मेमोरी? I hope nobody is ready to question anything about this. Yeah, who is this?
Sir, Tushar this side.
Tushar again. Now tell me.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have a doubt. That is, can you tell me that how these exercises, these senses exercises or recall exercises, help us in acting? Like where we can use these kind of things in acting.
I told you, na, if you want to create a person, is full of senses, isn't it? So now you are trying to find out your own senses purposefully, है ना? अपने आप को, खुद के सेंसेस को क्या आप एनैक्ट कर पाएंगे ट्रूथफुली? वो पहला टास्क है इधर। अगर ये आप कर पाएंगे तो दूसरा सेंसेस आपके ऊपर जो थोपा गया है उसके लिए भी आपको आसानी से एक जरिया मिल जाएगा कि हाउ यू कैन डू दैट आल्सो। दैट्स व्हाट इन दैट सेंस दीस थिंग्स आर हेल्पफुल। अदरवाइज आपको क्या हो गया, फॉल्स ही हो जाएगा ना। यू विल स्टार्ट विद अ वेरी फॉल्स काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग which you have never touched anything. You are now starting with that very cold, very happy situation, very beautiful thing you have seen. Otherwise आपको बताना पड़ेगा, आपको क्लीशे करना पड़ेगा, है ना? आपने अगर सोचेंगे तो उसमें रियलिस्टिक स्टार्टिंग करना है, रियलिस्टिक से स्टार्ट करके नॉन रियलिस्टिक तरफ जाना है हमको, तो आपको अपने सेंसेस के बारे में यू हैव टू बी वेरी मच careful about that. We have gone through all these things, but the problem is now we are trying to recall them. Why? Because we want to be very much natural while doing these actions.
Okay.
आपको आपके ये actions को आपको repetitiveness आएंगे. This is one of the quality of the actor, that he can repetitively do his own actions. You know, आज मैंने ये action किया, दूसरा मैं change करता जाऊंगा. That is different. But I should have a quality that I can repeat the same actions n number of times with the same kind of an attitude, same kind of an dimension and all that. उसके लिए हमारा ये ट्रेनिंग चल रही है अभी।
ओके सर। सो कैरेक्टर के लिए ये बहुत हेल्प करेगी।
कैरेक्टर के लिए टाइप करेंगे तो आप अपने पहले अपना कैरेक्टर के लिए सोचिए ना, अपने कैरेक्टर कैसा है उसको आप कैसे इनैक्ट करेंगे। आप क्या है, आप क्या डिफेंड कर पाएंगे जल्दी से? नहीं। क्योंकि हम अपने आप को जानने की कभी कोशिश ही नहीं की है।
नहीं करते।
Acting is one best way to understand yourself, you know. That is the best thing in our life, you know. हम दूसरों के चप्पल में पांव रखते हैं, क्यों कब रखते हैं? हम दूसरे को कैरेक्टर करने के लिए, है ना? उस स्थिति में अभी आए नहीं हम लोग। हम अपने आप को जानने की कभी कोशिश की? हम कैसे सोचते हैं, कैसे बोलते हैं, हम क्या इमेजिन कर सकते हैं, हमने जिंदगी में अभी तक क्या देखा है, बहुत कुछ देखा है, ये तो हमको पता है। क्या हम अभी उसको रिकॉल करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो आप यू विल बिकम वेरी सेलेक्टिव। दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड टेल यू। यू विल बी वेरी वेरी सेलेक्टिव, isn't it? For 30-40 years you are seeing so many things. When I say what you have seen, the best things, tell me. But whatever the things you have seen, tell me. Even then you will be very selective. Where you are concentrating. For an actor, concentration is much more important. Concentration कब करेंगे आप? जब you are relaxing. Relaxation, concentration, observation चाहिए आपको। उसके बाद मैं आपको improvisation के लिए बोलूंगा। Improvisation के पहले मैं आपको introduce करूंगा कि imagination बहुत कैसे जरूरी होती है। Why imagination is needed? You know, these things are interlinked. Yeah. Anybody else? Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for today's session. I thought of doing some other exercises also, but I am keeping those things for the next session. But if you are going to do this sense of sight exercise clearly, right, कि आप जैसे मैंने आपको डायरेक्शन दिया थोड़ा बहुत, उसके लिए आप उसके ऊपर आप काम करेंगे। Next sense you are going to work is sense of hearing के बारे में भी आप सोचिए। Same thing, you are sitting in a room, you are trying to listen all those sounds. Right now, what are the sounds which are going in your room and all that? You can try to do that. We will discuss later. We'll discuss the sense of hearing के बारे में फिर मैं आपसे बात करूँगा। The process will be the more or less same, isn't it? Process will be more or less same. But after that, if you are really not done anything in the name of sense, which is difficult or different, you can actually experience that sense and take the memory, take that action into your memory. है ना? जैसे कोई लेमन है ना, कच्चा नींबू काट के उसको मैंने टेस्ट नहीं किया आज तक। you can do it, you can test that and you can have that experience and you just take that into your memory. But don't go for any dangerous kind of senses where it will also drag me into some different kinds of a situation. Okay, you understand? So thank you very much for today's session. Anything else? Any question for today? Otherwise, I will call it a day for today. Okay?
So the
Thank you, dear.
So the practice
yeah.
has to be submitted on text, right? As in PDF file.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, boss. Okay, good day. Bye. See you.